Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Garageband and creating a new track, audio or software instrument, so you have a place to put the cowbell. Once done, open the library and select a drum kit or percussion instrument. This gives you the sound palette. Make sure tempo and metronome are set, because timing shapes how the cowbell sits in the mix. You don't need exotic plugins, use built-in kits or an Apple loop. Now arm the track for recording or insert a MIDI region to draw hits. Now you choose the cowbell sound and shape it. If you picked Drum Machine Designer or Drum Kit Designer, click the pad for the cowbell and swap the sample from kit pieces or an included Apple loop. That gives you a clean, familiar tone. Once loaded, tweak pitch, decay, and gain to control presence and length, short decay for tight patterns, longer for roomier feel. Also, pan a little if it clashes with other percussion. When satisfied, record a pass or draw MIDI hits on the timeline. Finish by polishing the cowbell so it sits well in the mix. Quantize MIDI and vary velocities so hits feel human, then add light compression or a narrow EQ boost around the cowbell's attack to cut through. Place the cowbell on a bus with the kit for unified processing and balance levels and stereo position. If you don't hear it, make sure the track isn't muted, the output is correct, and the plugin or sample slot hasn't failed. Reload the sample or restart GarageBand if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.